Travessa de Mata-Tigre. So I don't know where this is gonna go, but I definitely want to explore it, and I definitely want to get into that little area too. Barrio de Luchao. Ooh, dang. Definitely want to get into that. Okay.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here's gonna be our focus. We're gonna go down that way. Before we even begin, I definitely want to check out Patio de Luchao. Luchao, I guess that's illusion. So let's just kind of go in here and check out this illusion. See what's in here. Oh, there's an abandoned building already. Dang, there's so much cool stuff. Okay, this is too cool. I'm gonna have to come back and check this out. Let me just see. There's all these abandoned. Anyways, definitely looks pretty cool. I wish I knew the story about this place. I can smell a lot of incense in here too, and there's like abandoned things in here, and that looks so cool. But that's not our focus, but it is the beginning of this street that we're going to explore right now. Give you a little context. Before we go down this one, there's also a little temple here too, and some shrine things. Got this kind of cool temple stuff right here already, right? That cool street. That cool street. That cool street. And then this kind of cool thing right here. So we're gonna go down, kind of capture all these things right here. Okay, so all that stuff is at the beginning of our cool street that we're gonna go down. Travessa de Mata-Tigre. Hello. They're playing mahjong, I guess. Oh, there's actually more stuff to explore down that way. Travessa de Abrao. Dang, there's just so much stuff everywhere. That's cool. I think this might just end right here, but let's just kind of check it all out. Dang, it's cool. It does feel like this is a passageway. Huh. This building looks kind of interesting too. It's like a really old, like Mandarin house kind of style or something. Patio das Seis Caixas. Let's check this out. So that one is this one right here, and then if you walk into it briefly, wow, so weird. I feel like a dog's gonna run out at any second or something. So crazy. Wow. This is really amazing. Man. Okay. There's so much cool stuff in Macau. Sometimes it's kind of overwhelming. Just motor. So I think this street might be ending right here. Dang. Yeah, it'll end, so that's going to be a different street altogether down that way. This is our little street right here. Looks like you can actually go down through this way as well. Should I go down that way? Yeah, I think I should. Let's just kind of go down to see where this leads. Apartments right here too, dang. It's crazy because we're kind of in a, got hit by air conditioning water apartment. And it looks like we gonna end. Let's see what street this is. So this is a different street right here, patio. I think we'll just go all the way down to the end. But yeah, we basically started down that way and went through this whole little mess. So yeah, that whole little thing. So we basically went underneath it. Patio de Senado. I'm just gonna go down a little bit further. And that's the end of this street. Right here. Wild. Okay, so that's where we descended. We just went basically straight through this whole thing right here. Amazing. Okay, I think this is, well, that'll be whole other videos. We'll do some new videos, some other ones too. So we basically just went down that alley. I think just to give a little reference, let's just kind of show you real quick. So down there is kind of a main street. We got a little sellers, hawkers market street down there. Patio de Banzo. And then up here is the, I think the Mandarin house is up this way. So I'll just give you a little context. Yeah, it is. If you keep walking down that, there'll be the Mandarin house. So anyways, that's kind of where we are. And we're gonna finish this one. We'll finish it right there. That's it for this one.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.